Can you imagine how sick of a shot this will be?
Yes.
So sick. Nope. Fuck.
Wow,
oh no!
Sick of a shot
oh my god,
be?
I hate my life.
You imagine how sick of a shot that would be? Oh my god, what a dummy.
Alright, cool. Alright, it's recording. We only got 88 minutes. Okay.
So
we're gonna play. I don't fucking know. I'm not good at this. Okay, we're gonna play basketball with Sir Truck-a-Luckington.
Yeah.
And we're gonna play a game of 12 first. The rules will be on the screen. I have to walk through it with Angus, so I'm not gonna take the time to talk about all the rules. But the loser has to cut their dick off. So Angus is gonna have to cut his penis off because he's gonna lose.
To these rules.
What rules did we agree on? Yeah. Oh yeah. He's gonna go bald.
Yeah.
I mean, loser has to go bald, but Angus is gonna go bald.
Loser has to go bald. So.
Angus is gonna go bald. Okay. All right. Is that good?
Yeah, it's good.
All right. All right.
Yeah, you're just gonna.
Now they're done playing. Now they're gonna watch it. Oh my. Remember. What's good about this is that I'm just going to cut out all the messy shit. So if you get the rebound, you already have possession, so you just have to choose my ball. What does that mean? Alright, so I broke Angus's ankles. I don't know how, but it happened. So I
Make sure you insert like a car crash when I go down.
I'll make it slow-mo. Just make it super dramatic.
Yes. They win. I mean, after the
Make sure I'm on camera for this one. Make sure I'm on camera. Make sure I'm on. Alright, so change your rules. Since he lost by a lot,
fuck you,
which wasn't surprising, but we're gonna play a game of pig. If he loses pig, then he has to shave his head bald because he thought that it wasn't fair because he isn't that good at basketball. So we figured, well,
I mean, it might have been the fact
we'll
that
make it more fair.
Cracked my ankle.
Yeah, I broke his ankles. So call me the bone collector.
That's his porn name, is his stage name, because he loves taking big bones.
I think you mean boners. Oh, wait a minute.
Oh yeah.
Fade away. There we go.
Oh, thanks.
I'll get your air ball right here.
Oh.
That wasn't bad. Nope. Just kidding. Ah. Bad.
My ankle's starting to hurt. Pretty bad. He's a bitch.
Huh?
Nothing.
Oh, fuck.
Hey, that was on the line. Oh, there you go. That was off so bad, dude. Wow. That was off so bad, dude.
Alright. So, Angus has fought valiantly, but it has been proven lacking in athletic ability and intellect.
It's okay.
That does not match their
That doesn't match mine, I know. I understand.
Sir
I'm really sorry.
Chocolate.
I'm really sorry you had to come to this channel.
Chocolate tickle.
Make it. Nothing but net.
Edit it. Yeah, swish.
It was nothing but the net. Didn't even hit the rim, didn't hit anything. Just hit the bottom of the net.
I am the one.
Right here. Right here, okay?
Alright, I'll get your air ball. Over, you mean right there?
Oh! I never miss. I never miss this time. Could do a camera shot. I'm red, so whatever. Yeah, let's fucking party. So close. Most epic shot to end them all. Come on. Come on. Oh. Dude, I kid you not, my foot is so messed up right now. Oh. Just knock out your camera. Alright. You got down there or no?
After I make the...
Okay. So we're gonna be here for like another hour. Damn! Why'd you wait that long?
Huh?
Why'd you wait that long?
Cause I wanted it to look like
It's cause he's bad.
I made it look like I'll let you have a chance. I love basketball.
Yeah.
Yeah. There you go.
No, to the left all the time. Like, comment, subscribe, Zach, for being a dumbass. Like, comment, subscribe to me for being sweaty.